hindi pa Pasko, maghanda ka na.
Amanda.
Amanda.
Amanda, get ready.
Okay, ang ranking natin dancer from Caloocan City, Salo.
Ano?
This is it! This is your moment! Alam mo, Era, kayo mo talaga napapansin. Talagang patalong-talong tayo ng bansa. Meron tayo.
Yes, kasi tayo.
Galing Japan, bukit ng Pilipinas. Hindi naman, ano ba to? Mexican, Latino, dating, ya?
Oo, di ba?
Latino o Latina?
Latina.
Latina.
Si Amanda na yan eh, si Amanda.
Oo, yung beauty niya, kakaiba. And I have to last say, pati yung mga teammates mo talagang project na smile. At sa kanilang hairdo. Ano ba naman? Yan. Okay. Judges! Ayun ang post ganito.
Hindi na sila colorful. Ang saya-saya pa ang performance gusto ko kayo eh. Gaya-gaya ko. Okay, sabihin natin ang mga dancer natin, celebrity judge herself. Okay. Sandali naman, lilinawin ko lang. Ang hinahanap ng visit is hindi daw importante ang costume. Ang importante is nandun yung energy, kakaiba, at ang pinaka-importante, na-entertain lahat ng mga nanonood. So yan. Pero yung napanood ko ngayon, sorry baka abangan nyo ako sa labas. Baka abangan nyo ako. Ang napanood ko ngayon, guys, yung parang normal lang na production number. Na yung mga hinahanap ko, hindi ko na naman nakita. Actually, hindi kailangan namin subuan dito eh. Makakita lang ako ng kakaiba. Pero, nandun naman yung smile, yung projection, nakita ko naman, tsaka yung ganda ni girl. Ang ganda naman, ang ganda-ganda na lumabas kasi kahit simple lang yung sayaw, napaganda niyo yung production number niyo. Kaya para sa akin, okay naman. Okay, thank you so much, Michelle. Madam, what can you say about this Latin performance?
Well, this is a small group. And for a small group, it has big movement. And that's a plus. And I agree with Rochelle, it's kind of ordinary. Because you see it in like different bars. And in different performance areas.
Yes.
But what shocked me most was the lead performer. She's actually a man. Tama. She was a girl. And when I realized that she was actually a man, I was so shocked. I said to myself, my God, paano nangyari yun? I learned the gallop in an instant. Beautiful girl, beautiful. I love ya.
Okay, Eugene.
Well, as for me,
thought your performance was totally amazing. My colleagues here were looking for something new, something extraordinary. Well, for me, your performance was extraordinary because we don't have that in our planet. And your colors, your costume, they're amazing. The lady in the middle, she's amazing. She used to be a man, now she's a lady. Ha! Amazing.
Parang baliktad yung mundo natin ha. Siya nag-Tagalog. Ikaw naman naging British Prime Ministeress.
Bigla ako naloka. Bigla ako naloka.
Ang powers ginagamit nila, diba? Dito kaya nasisiraan ako ng ulo dito. Bumalik tayo sa normal natin pagkasalita.
Kaya nga yung dalawang yung mga impostora, yung dalawang yan eh.
Oo, nakakasakit kayo ng pulong dalawa. ha?
Tanggap kayo talaga. If 5 years ka ng entertainer, pero sa ginawa mo, walang entertainment value kasi nga masyadong boring. Nakakanto ko yung ginawa mo.
Sobra ka naman, masyadong boring.
Kaya base naman sa ibang judges, di ba? Puro ka project. Pero yung laman ng ginagawa mo,